Hi there, my name is ReaganVFilms and welcome to ReaganVFilms, where we help you get a simpler, smarter, and fast smart home. So currently I use on my laptop is Microsoft Whiteboard, and I usually use it for math with my finger. But what has been happening lately is I load it and then all of my stuff is gone. So I bought this for $40 at Best Buy, and it says, well, the instructions are very simple because it's a stylus, but let's open it up. Here we go. So it comes in this box. The first thing that comes in it is just the stylus and a battery. The battery's already inside. And then there's just a manual and another manual. So I'm gonna see how long it takes to install this because it sometimes is a real struggle. Okay, so we're here at the home screen. It says welcome to Wacom Center. We've modernized blah blah blah. So let's go. Connect the device to see its settings here. How do I do that? Okay, so to open it, you just remove the top. So it's like lead. But it's for a battery. And then you would let the negative side, so this side will be the negative. So negative is up here, positive is down here, and that's how it would work. And I can just put that. Okay, cool. Well, we know it works. This one's not Bluetooth, but it works. And I can use it for math tomorrow. For physics. I don't know. Okay. Cool. Thank you for watching this video. If this seems helpful for this little stylus, yes I know it's a little cheese that we got a video for the stylus, then please watch this video here or this video here or subscribe right here in the middle.